Hey guys, welcome to another Your Tech Report video, and today we're opening this surprise box that arrived at my door from Google. Hey guys, welcome back. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. That way we can bring you more videos like this. Hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time we've got a brand new video to show you. And by the way, did you know we have a podcast? It's actually a radio show on SiriusXM. If you don't know about it, click down below in the description for this video. We're going to link to our podcast. We'd love if you take a listen and do give us a review. It's fun. It's a thing we do every week on SiriusXM, so do take a listen. So, at my doorstep today, this mystery box from, I wonder what company this is, from Google showed up on my doorstep. And I got really excited because the Pixel 3 obviously was announced, along with a lot of really cool accessories. And I wasn't expecting a package, but guess what? Enjoy your gift from Google. Welcome to Team Pixel. So I'm excited to crack open this box and crack open what's inside. Let's take a look in here. We've got, oh, this is exciting. Hey guys, take a look at this. We've got ourselves the brand new Google Pixel stand. This is the Qi wireless charging stand that puts your phone into like almost like a Google Home type mode next to your bed stand. We've got ourselves a Google Pixel 3 case, the regular size 5.5 inch Google Pixel 3 case right over here. I like that. And guess what? Wow, that's heavy. Welcome to Team Pixel, everybody. This is the Google Pixel 3 announced, what, 48 hours ago? Not even 48 hours ago. And we've got one in our hands right here. This is the 5.5 inch model. Let's see what we got here. Pixel 3 5.5 inch 64 gigs, clearly white, one of the three colors available. There's clearly white, there's I think it's called just black and almost pink. So this is the clearly white version. Cool packaging. I mean, it's pretty simple packaging. You've got that blue Team Pixel and the Google logo on one side. You got the Google Pixel 3 on the other side. Let's pull open this plastic strip over here, and let's take a look inside this box. Oh, together for the first time. Look at that. The Google Pixel 3. I'm really excited for this phone. If there's one phone that Mitchell and I talk about, we talk about this on a radio show all the time, that would ever make a switch from an iOS device, from the iPhones that we're used to, it's going to be a Pixel device, because you've got that raw Android experience. And I'm sure you've heard that before. What's a raw Android experience? Well, this is no skins like you'd find on a Samsung or an LG, no gimmicks or software or bloatware added. This is just Android the way that Google designed Android. So inside the box, what have we got here? We've got our documentation. Underneath that, we've got the headphones. This comes with the actual Pixel Buds. Pixel headphones right there. Nice. These are wired headphones. These are not wireless headphones. They're wired headphones, and they have a cool design with this kind of... Here, let me take them out for you. So the design is quite simple here, and they kind of illustrate it on this card over here. The design is the actual wire kind of flips up and down inside the headphone itself to make it fit your small ear, your big ear. This wire here, you see here? This wire here becomes smaller and larger, and it's designed to go in the ear. And this plastic piece is designed to stay in there and hold it in place, especially when you're doing activity and you're running around. It's meant to hold it in place, so I'm looking forward to trying those on. These are USB Type-C direct. There's no dongle or anything in the box here. Inside, we also have the USB Type-C to Type-C cable over there. Type-C to Type-C. Look at that. I lied a second ago. This is what happens. It comes with an adapter, so USB Type-A to Type-C, which is interesting because it doesn't come with a Type-A connector, so this is just a bonus. Good bonus adapter over there. We've got that dongle that we just talked about, and I lied and said it didn't have. It has a USB Type-C to a headphone jack dongle. This is great because it's useful in other things. And we've got the power brick over here. Let's take a look at the power brick. Traditional power brick over here. USB Type-C power brick, which is really cool. It's nice to see a USB Type-C power brick. Let's see, AC adapter. 5 volt, 3 amp, so that's pretty good. It's going to charge it pretty quickly. And of course the phone itself. So let's peel the plastic off the phone itself here. Oh, that's nice. I love peeling plastic off of phones. So on the front, it's got this all black design, which is really cool. You've got 2 cameras in the front there. I don't know if you could see that over there. 2 cameras in the front there along with the actual speaker grill. This phone does not have a notch, so this is the smaller version, the 5.5 inch version. It actually feels really comfortable in the hand if you take a look at it in the hand. On the back, you've got that single 12 megapixel camera that obviously is supported by Google's AI that flashed there as well. On the right side, you've got your sleep-wake button. You've got your volume rocker. You squeeze this to invoke the Google Assistant. You've got a speaker grill at the bottom, so you've got stereo sound of this device too. Again, this is got the fingerprint reader on the back there as well, which Google believes in. So in terms of size, put this up against the iPhone 10. Pretty much the same form factor as the iPhone 10, although the screen is not edge to edge, so it's going to be a little bit of a smaller screen. So you got the 5.5 inch screen. Still, we're going to try this out. I think we're going to enjoy it quite well. So what else we got? We got the case inside here. We're going to crack open the case here with our trusty unboxing scissors. Wow, that's a strong seal for a fabric case. Break this plastic seal over. Case. So the case is nice. This is a fabric case, a black fabric case, which is really cool. Nice protection on the inside. We'll pop that case on the phone right away. It goes right on the phone like this. You've got that fabric case right there. And what else we got? Oh yeah, we got the Google Pixel stand. Let's take a look at this thing for a second. So this is a wireless Qi charging stand, so it should charge anything that's Qi compatible. Not what I intended. Here we go. The charging stand. So very cool design. The stand is designed to hold your phone upright, so you can kind of just pop it into the stand over there. If you take a look on the side here, it kind of sits quite nicely on the stand. Kind of rubberized plastic design, which is kind of cool. The actual stand itself will probably come with an adapter. Yep, comes with an adapter right there. Another USB Type-C wall connection, and another USB Type-C cable, which is pretty cool. And we plug that into the bottom of the stand over here. You can see it plugs in right over there. And it charges wirelessly, which is really cool. And one of the features we saw in the keynote a couple days ago was that when you have the actual phone sitting here like this, it also goes into this like Google Home type mode. And because it's got those both speakers, you can say things like, "Hey Google," or "Okay Google, do this, do that," and it becomes almost like a bed stand speaker. So very cool stuff. We're gonna go hands-on with, of course, all this stuff. We're gonna actually switch from our iPhone to Google Pixel for a couple weeks and tell you exactly what we think. We're gonna obviously put that camera to the test. If there's something specific you want us to actually test or go hands-on with, or if questions about, that's the comments are there for below here on YouTube. So subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you're notified instantaneously, and leave us a comment below or email us, contact@yourtechreport.com. And again, check out that podcast. The link is right down below in the description here. And thank you for watching. We look forward to bringing you more with the Google Pixel 3.